Oh, I got a package today. Ooh, I'm pretty stoked on what it is. Let's check it out. What did we get in the mail today? Power drive monster truck. I don't know how that would fit in this box, but oh, maybe it's something else. Well, I saw this on the website. They had these in the store, but I haven't seen them for a while. So they came out online. I said, I'm gonna get it. Boom. Dewalt tool set. Full lifetime warranty. Guarantee. Let's see what's inside. Boom. All right. Well, let's open this bad boy up. I'll let you know what I think. It's got 3 ratchets. 1/4 inch drive, 3/8 drive, 1/2 inch drive, or 24 sockets, 1/4 inch drive, standard and metric, 10 1/4 inch drive, deep socket, standard and metric, 4 extensions, 23 3/8, 14 and 1 spark plug wrench, 13 1/2 inch drive, 11 combination wrenches, 12 nut driver bits, standard and metric, 29 standard and metric hex keys, a handle driver to hold it, 40 1/4 inch drive specialty bits, 24 millimeters. So these are like your screwdriver bits and stuff like that. Oh, looks like we need a screwdriver to take off the plastic. Using my Ryobi driver to take the screws out of my Dewalt tool set. Boom. Well, there you have it, my friends. There it is. Look at this thing. Woo! Pretty. Look at that. Damn. Ooh, it's pretty heavy too. It's got some weight to it. It feels like it has like a coating on it. Gives it more grip. So that's nice. Let's see this one here. Yeah, this one's a lot lighter because of the size. But yeah, this one's a nice one. I don't think I have a wrench this size here. Ratchet driver, that's, I think it's 1/8 inch. No, this is 1/4, 1/2 inch, 3/8. Let's look at the sockets. Nice. I like how they have the number etched in there. Laser etched probably. Nice and big and clear so you can see it. I hate those sockets that engraved and you can't really see it. So here we go, man. Look at that. Nice. Look at that. Got all these deep socket here. Metric, and these are standard. Some people call them American. I don't think I have any deep sockets, or maybe I do. Definitely I don't think I have them in this 1/4 inch drive, so that's kind of cool. Got a couple deep socket there, different sizes here. All right, so we got the deep socket millimeter. It's kind of cool. Maybe I'm supposed to do it this way. Let's check out the wrenches. Look at that. Ooh, that's nice. So we got the nice grip, nice fill. It's engraved here and then etched here, laser etched the size and then engraved on the back side. So usually this how tools come. You can't really see it, you know, but there, that's a lot easier to see, especially if you're an old fart like me. You can't really see that good anymore. Got a nice set of Allen wrenches, hex, whatever you want to call these. Got metric and standard, so that's kind of cool. I don't think I've had that before. So all in all, really nice tool set. Really like it. Looks great. You know, gonna dig it. Got the metric size hex drivers. It's a 10 millimeter driver, and you put this in your drill. guessing that's how that works. Anyway, so pretty cool set, guys. Loving it. Can't wait to try it out. Comes in this cool case. So boom, look at that. If you're on the go, you need to take your tools with you, but you don't want to have to, you know, unload your toolbox. You just need some tools to take with you on the go. Boom, look at that. You are ready for business, my friend. That is my review. Maybe I'll do another video where I'm actually using the tools, but hope you like it. So there it is, fools. That's my review of the Dewalt tool set from Costco. Let me know if you have any questions. Oh, I guess what I forgot to mention is it was $100 from Costco, and I ordered it on the mail. It was $5, I think, for shipping. I mean, super cheap. Taxes were more than the shipping. But yeah, pretty cool. I guess one of the big deals about this Ratchet set is that the Ratchet has 72 teeth. So it allows you more, like when you're in a very tight spot and you can't get the Ratchet a full click over, this gives you much closer. And also the sockets have instead of teeth, they have like these rounded kind of edges inside, so it grabs much more in much more spaces. They call it direct torque technology. Full lifetime warranty, 184 piece set. So yeah, if you're thinking about getting the set, there you go. Let me know if you have any questions.